Dear customers, my video right now will help you to get rid of Ytiesbortionrh.club. These pop-ups are initially presented as some message claiming that you need to do something to activate the video streaming functionality in your browser. And these pop-ups are also titled as Best Video Streaming 2018. Well, it's obvious that the developers of this website have probably forgotten what year it is right now, and so this title is obviously the good evidence for you not to trust any misleading alerts in such messages. So the pop-up will also try to make you click on the Allow button to enable this video streaming feature, but believe me, doing that is a very serious mistake that may cause a lot of troubles for your browser. When the Allow button is clicked, people start seeing a lot of unwanted ads, redirections to random websites, and that's all happening because of such pop-ups activated. Now, to deactivate these pop-ups, you need to go to the browser menu that looks as this circle with 3 vertical dots, click on Settings, then choose Site Settings and Notifications. Now you need to inspect the Allow area, and if you see something suspicious here in the list, delete that website from this list. I also recommend investigating your Mac computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it easily on the website Ytiesbortionrh.club. Download the software, and when it is installed, you need to wait until the antivirus database is updated, and finally click on this button called Start Combo Scan. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results to see what exact threats were found during the scanning. What's really good about Combo Cleaner trial version is that it not only gives you the list of threats, but also shows where exactly they are located. For instance, we have this fake Adobe Flash Player DMG installer. We may click on this button to show in Finder, and you will be able to right-click on this malware and move it to the trash. So this is the manual way to get rid of all the detected threats that were identified during free scanning. So once again, go to this particular item, then click on this icon to see where exactly it is located, and you may remove one threat one at a time. This is the way to fixing your Mac manually. But of course, if you would like to get rid of all these threats automatically, you may obtain the premium version of Combo Cleaner, which will additionally perform all other important system optimization procedures.